Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Donna and I'm the owner of Winged Horse Designs. I'm also an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I love crafting with paper. I'm so happy that you decided to join me today. I want to give you an introduction and let you know what to expect from Winged Horse Designs. I will be uploading new videos each Monday. These videos will be a combination of tutorials, tips and tricks, and paper crafting techniques. So come look for new content at the beginning of each week. You can click on the subscribe button and then you'll be notified when new content is available for viewing. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you don't mind, please leave a little comment of the types of paper crafting projects you might like to see. I so appreciate your comments. I'll see you on Monday. Happy trails!